Welcome to the ultimate survival arena of Park Time. Today, I need you to step in as judges for a very special competition. Who deserves the title of Most Deserving Karma? We've got cars parked right in the middle of the road, cars claiming the sidewalk like it's private property, and even the bold move of parking in the lion's den, metaphorically speaking. Watch the full video and drop your score for the most savage comeback of the day. Don't blink, because situation number 3 is guaranteed to spark a serious debate. Let's get started. Parking with no escape, literally. The sedan owner probably needs a yoga session before getting into that car. Standing in front of someone else's house like it's your personal parking lot. He probably thought that was the side entrance. The road is still there, the sidewalk isn't. Everyone was waiting in the right direction. You just created a brand new one. One second checking the mirror might have prevented this moment. He parked right at the edge for convenience and conveniently gave everyone a heart attack. The middle of the road isn't a place to pause and think, buddy.
2,000 years later.
Next time, leave yourself an exit. Don't make things harder for yourself. Instead of taking the straight road, he went for a little off-road adventure. Instead of taking the straight road, he went for a little off-road adventure. The divider didn't expect to become a support platform today. Parked that close, probably assuming the workers would just go around. The sidewalk isn't an extended parking lot, buddy.
She's gonna go to jail. Man, this bitch is wildin'.
There's no second floor garage at home, but he tried to build one anyway. Parking with a nature breakthrough approach. There's a whole open yard, yet he picked the hardest possible spot. You parked in the basement, but the weather switched to swimming pool mode. The car went in for repairs in the morning. By afternoon, it became a construction project. High-level parking, not for beginners. The lesson is, don't rush in a parking lot. There's no room for error. No one wants escalation, but when inconvenience repeats, reactions change. Luxury car, but today it's getting introduced to street art. Parked peacefully, and suddenly the car next to it turned into a special effect. Is he parking or performing street circus? Is he trying to fix the situation or just creating content? He said he liked riverfront property. No one said the whole car had to move in. Parking that somehow builds team spirit. Impressive. The taxi next to it is probably praying it's not next. Does this parking lot have a sinking mode? He said park neatly. No one said vertically. That's not white paint, that's the limited edition bird version. The neighbors probably thought they were filming an action movie. Two pickup trucks settling their argument by weight class. One more move and this turns into an outdoor art exhibit. Coin laundry. Wash your clothes, not the entire situation. One quick decision, 10 extra pairs of eyes watching. Park in the wrong spot and meet the right impatient person. This parking lot looks like it's hosting a water festival. Parked under a hailstorm without checking the forecast. Even the police would need 3 seconds to process this. The gate wasn't even open, but he already made his move. The construction must go on. The car stays stuck. The car is practicing a perfect handstand. He said park by the water, not in it. The whole lot was dry, and he picked the drainage spot. Parked the car, and the neighbor delivered the unopenable gift edition. That's life full of U-turns. Just make sure yours is smooth, not like the one we just witnessed. Bottom line, the road isn't your personal stage, so maybe dial down the circus performance for everyone else's sake. So what's your score for this move? A 1 out of 10? Go back and try again. Or a bold 10 out of 10 for sheer nerve? Drop your verdict in the comments and help Park Time decide. Hit like and subscribe to catch the next episode, because the situations ahead are about to get even more outrageous.